Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Bing's new AI chatbot. This chatbot is really useful for a few things. It gives you a few reasons here. The number one reason I think is to get better answers for your questions. If you have a question that's quite specific and there's not much information on it online, you can simply put your question in here and you have a better chance of finding the answer that you want faster. So to start with, there's three different conversation styles. There's creative, balanced and precise. Creative is more for if you want out-the-box answers. Balanced is more for if you just wanted to have a conversation with it. And precise, I'd say, is the best for getting specific answers. So the way to use it is simply to go down to this box at the bottom and ask it anything. Now the good thing about this chatbot is it's up to date with current news. So other chatbots like chatgpt will be trained up until 2021, whereas this has current news. So you could say, what's the time now in UK? Right now it's searching, and there you go. It tells me the exact time, the date, and it shows what time zone I'm in also. So after you ask a question, it gives you links below from where it actually took the information from, and it also gives you follow-up questions if you wanted to answer something else. So you can basically ask the chatbot anything, and it will give you results. This can be really useful for work, school, or even just answering any general questions you may have. And as simply as easy as asking it. So that is exactly how you use Bing's AI chatbot. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please comment down below and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.